Hello, I'm John Russell. In a previous video, we explored the sound, the sound of hobbies and daily activities. That sound is made with the back of the tongue. Consider these examples. I like running. I am walking. I am watching television. But in everyday speech, you will often hear Americans replace the sound. They use the sound n in its place. The sound n is made with the tip of the tongue and the area just behind the teeth. Let's think back to our previous examples. I am walking becomes I'm walkin'. I like running becomes I like runnin'. I am watching television becomes I'm watchin' television. What is important is that the speakers are changing the place of articulation. Instead of making the sound with the back of the tongue, Americans make the n sound with the very front of the tongue. The next time you watch American films or shows, try to listen for how speakers pronounce the ends of words, particularly words that end in ing. You will begin to notice patterns in how people speak and how they use these words. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.